Alright, today's going to be all about SUMPRODUCT function. The SUMPRODUCT function is really useful in kind of eliminating unnecessary calculation steps. So let's say that we own a business. Let's say that we have different products that we sell in our business. And let's just say we have 7 different products. So we have the price of each product. Let's just say $29.99, $39.99, and we'll just go up $10. Each product, and so we know the number that we have sold of each product. All right. So let's say we've sold 73, 21, just random numbers here. And all right. I don't know why that formatted differently. All right. So we want to know how much money we've made based off of how many units we've sold for each of their price points. So what we could do is just multiply across 29.99 times 73, 39.99 times 21, and so forth, and then sum all of those up. Or what we can do is use the sum product function, and what it's asking for is different arrays. So we can use this as an array and then this as the second array. And basically what that will do is we're telling Excel to do 29.99 times 73 plus 39.99 times 21, and so forth, right? So we have made a total revenue of $14,000. Now, just to double check that we did this correctly, we can multiply each row across, and then we can do the sum of all of these. And so we get the same number. So basically the sum product, just like I said in the beginning, it just eliminates unnecessary calculation steps and is just a super simple, useful tool that can be used when you're dealing with more complex data arrays, or you just have a lot more data to compute. And instead of adding this column, you can just do one simple function and solve it all. So hopefully this was super simple. Sum product function, easy to understand and use. Go ahead, hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you back for future videos. Thanks, have a great one.